Welcome everyone back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a very healthy drink which you can drink in the morning, and it's the celery drink. I'm going to add some lemon to it and take you through the process and also the health benefit, so stay tuned. So in this video, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to finish up the celery drink. And what a lot of people don't realize, that celery is very healthy. It's good for your heart, good for heart disease, full with vitamin K, which is good for your skin, and it's very good for red blood cell. Plus, it's good for blood clotting. It contains folate in it. So it's very healthy, and I'm going to add a bit of lemon with it, which give you a bit of vitamin C also, and also bit of energy, help your immune system, build it up. So stay tuned, I'm gonna get into it now. So I have some celery which already chopped up. So I'm gonna add it to the blender. This is very healthy. You can even drink this before you go to bed, but I think it works better early morning. I'm gonna cut a piece of lemon. I'm gonna squeeze it in. And if you want, you just chop this up, put a couple bits in it. Skin off this is very good for fiber. I'm going to add some water in. Put the lid over it. And blend it. Meanwhile, that blending, I'm gonna take the middle bits out. These are nice to make presentation. You'll see what I mean. I don't like bits in mine, so I will strain it off. Whatever left, you can even use it for cooking. You don't have to throw it away. You can even put this in some stew or a bit of soup. please remember to try this at home. It's very healthy. You have nothing to lose. And if this video is of any help to you, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave positive comment. So now the juice is strained off. I'm going to pour it in the glass. Next one. So now I'm gonna put my garnish in, like so. And this is what it looked like. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave positive comment. Now is my time. Cheers to you all. Thanks for watching. I feel that one. Wow. This is delicious. Please remember to try this. You have nothing to lose. And thanks for